Welcome, let's hear 10 facts about Thailand, with amazing cinematic experience. Number 1. Thailand is the only Southeast Asian country that has never been colonized by a European country. Number 2. The official name of Thailand is the Kingdom of Thailand, and it was previously known as Siam until 1939. Number 3. Thailand is home to the world's largest gold Buddha statue, located at the Wat Tramet Temple in Bangkok. Number 4. Thailand is the world's largest exporter of rice, and the staple food in Thai cuisine is rice. Number 5. Muay Thai, or Thai boxing, is the national sport of Thailand and has been practiced for hundreds of years. Number 6. Thailand has over 1,400 islands, including popular tourist destinations like Phuket and Koh Samui. Number 7. Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand, is home to the world's largest outdoor market, the Chatuchak Weekend Market. Number 8. The Thai New Year, known as Songkran, is celebrated in mid-April and is marked by a water festival where people throw water at each other. Number 9. The Thai alphabet has 44 consonants, 15 vowel symbols, and 4 tone marks. Number 10. Thailand is home to several unique festivals, such as the annual Monkey Buffet Festival in Lopburi, where locals offer food to monkeys, and the Vegetarian Festival in Phuket, where participants abstain from eating meat for 9 days. Thanks for watching.